Sir Christian Harold Tuliao, nanalo ka ng 20 kilograms.
Mag-add po the research sa document group and show us your ID. Next winner, JC, who's our next winner?
Our second winner of 20 kilogram level of food is Pierre Vicente.
Bukan na si Kalomon. Uy.
Gidat ugan man ni.
Congratulations!
Ay patakag
Oh,
datog.
we have our winner. What's your name, sir?
Ano may pinakagwapa gito?
Yes, congratulations. Here is your stock. You may claim your
Natanggal man ang buwan.
20 kilograms from Yum Yum at Bear Group. Okay, last 3 tayo. Last 3 for now. Kasi later meron ulit tayo. We have... Yes, sino wala? Nanalo ng 20 kilos ng Yum Yum Group. Congratulations, Peter for actor Edward Santos. Congrats! Congrats, sir! Ito na, may nag-claim na. Happy si Sir, oh. Happy maayos. Naliwag ka mo, happy ka mo, winner ka mo. Nasaan ka ba? Yes, si Sir Actor Edward Santos claimed your prize here. Dalawa na lang, 2 more winners of 20 kilos of Yum Yum.
Sobrang swerte ng mga nanalo natin sa raffle.